Hello bushwhackers and wild campers. Been out camping this weekend and I took out this Sunmer camping chair to try. Now if you've seen my Camwy chair review, lightweight chair, you'll know that I liked it because it had good feet at the bottom and it was comfortable and lightweight. This has even wider feet, it has proper mud feet. Very robust fabric, bit of mesh for breathability, pockets on both sides, which I really like. Yeah, really good. And I have to say, I find this a really comfortable chair. Yeah, it's a bit midgy around here, hence the midge net. Yeah, I do. I find this a really comfortable chair. Now when this arrives, these feet actually aren't attached. They just kind of pop on and off. And I've just popped them on and left them on. It does make folding the thing up a little bit more difficult when you leave the feet on, but it's still doable. And so I don't see the point in faffing around continuously taking them on and off. So I'll fold it up and we'll chuck it back in the bag and you can see how compact it falls down. Now this does weigh a little bit heavier than my Camwy chair. I'll put the weights on the screen. So this one weighs about half a kilo more, but it is a lot more robust in construction. It does feel a lot stronger. Velcro band just to tie it off, stop it from springing everywhere. And then it just pops back in the bag. The attachment points, they seem really strong, where it pops onto the poles, the chair poles. And I don't know whether you can hear that, but this is, yeah, quite thick material. I'll put it on the screen. I think I'll be able to find out what it is, so I'll put the fabric on the screen. It's not a generous sized bag to carry it in, but it goes in alright. There we go. Yeah, pretty good. I like that. If you like it, I'll put some links in the comments and description and you can check it out for yourself. And you know what to do if you like what I'm doing on the channel and you like these kind of reviews. Hit the thumbs up for the videos, subscribe, smash the bell, all that kind of stuff. Right, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.